Another Christmas day will come and go away, and I've got so far to go, but I wanna go home. I need to go. Maybe surrounded by strangers and Christmas lights, I shouldn't feel so alone, but I wanna go home. God, I miss you, you know. I can close my eyes and see the angel on the tree, a blanket of snow outside, and all my friends and family.
You know who is
It's the Statue of Liberty.
statue? I never see a statue.
Have you ever seen that before?
Mommy, and there's the plate and the spoon.
The plate and the spoon! The dish ran around with the spoon?
The same. Another Christmas day will come and go away, and I won't leave you alone.
Yeah.
Right
Oh,
there.
I see it too!
A splashing water.
Got to go.
Right.
Let me go home.
Flamingos.
I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna go
Is that
home.
what I'm supposed to do?
Now the reasons I'm so far away ain't good enough. Whatever they need me for, I know that I need you more. So I'll do the things I've gotta do to get back to you. I need you to believe I'll make it back by Christmas Eve. Another Christmas day will come and go away, and I won't leave you alone. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna be home. Though I'm surrounded by this cold December night and feel so alone, I'm gonna go home. Babe, I miss you, you know.
Is it cold?
I've had my run, baby, I'm done. Coming back home. Let me go home. It'll all be alright, and I'm holding you tight, 'cause this Christmas I'm home.
Oh, a unicorn!
Daddy,
Oh, baby.
I'm making a shovel to get me out of here.